Welcome to Retro Machines. My name is Victor Bart, and in this video we're gonna try to clean smokers hardware. Here we have two boxes full of really nice retro hardware. The only problem is it comes out on home where they smoke. So it really smells and it is dirty. So in this video I'm gonna experiment how I can clean all the parts. We have a lot of parts, so I'm gonna try to come up with a really cheap method. I bought for 50 cents this Rio Citronella cleaner, and I bought this dishwashing brush for 30 cents, and I bought this softer paint brush. I'm gonna pick out one motherboard and one video card which we're gonna clean in this video, and after the cleaning I will say if this method will work or not. I think I'm gonna use this PC Chips motherboard. It's a Socket 7 motherboard. We have enough Sound Blaster Live, so we're gonna also clean a Sound Blaster Live. And let's try to clean this Medion GeForce 4. First we're gonna use the air compressor to blow off the dust. Disconnect the fans before you use compressed air on fans. Let's flush the parts with water. And use the hard brush on the side without components. And on the side with the components, use a softer brush. Don't forget to remove the batteries from the motherboards before you wash them. Put some water in a bucket, and then we're gonna put in the Citronella cleaner. In the bucket we have water with the cleaner, and with the brush we're gonna really brush off all the dirt and stuff and really make it nice and shiny. Let's rinse it one more time under the water tub. Shake the water off. We're gonna use the air compressor to blow off all the water and in the ports and to have it nice and dry. And then we let it dry for a few days. This is much better now. The boards are nice and clean, the smell is almost gone. So this is a pretty decent cheap method. But for the high-end parts like the Voodoo 5s and stuff like that, you probably better can get some cleaning alcohol. But for parts like this, water is more than enough, and I have 2 crates full of hardware. So it's better to use water instead of liters of alcohol to clean it, because it's pretty expensive. But for the really expensive high-end parts, just get the cleaning alcohol. So we only need to let it dry. So turn it upside down so all the water can escape that is still trapped in holes. And the best thing to do is put it on an angle. And you need to move around the parts a little bit after a few hours, like this. So every water can escape. And the best place to dry your parts is where it is warm and dry and with some air flowing around. So now I need to clean a lot of computer parts. But what is your preferred method to clean computer parts? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video. Subscribe and leave a comment. You can join Retro Machines on Facebook. And you can support me on Patreon.
The time is 8:47 a.m. Current topside temperature is 93 degrees, with an estimated high of 105. The Black Mesa compound is maintained at a pleasant 68 degrees at all times.